Now then, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well. Thanks for tuning in again. Bit different today. I'm going to do a little bit of cooking. When I say cooking, it's cooking in the loosest sense of the term. I've seen a recipe online for gravy done in the Ninja Foodie. Well, not the Foodie. I have the soup maker, which is behind me, so I'm going to show you that. And all you need is a couple of carrots, onion, couple of stock pot things, chicken, and then a couple of chicken stock cubes and a potato. So I'm going to dice all this up, chop it up, put it in there. It's a great little bit of kit, that Ninja. If you've not got one, brilliant, makes amazing soup. But somebody said you can click it on sauce mode and it just makes perfect gravy. So the recipe I saw was for beef, but of course it's Christmas coming up, so I'm going to try it with chicken. Just see if that makes any nice chicken gravy. This could be a total disaster. But come on, let's get chopping this veg and we'll see what it turns out like. Right, that's everything peeled, so what we're going to do now is just chop it up. A little bit left on the onion there. What I'm going to do is just chop it all up now, dice it, and then get it in the soup maker. So that's everything put inside that soup maker. So all I've got to do now is fill up the kettle, boil it, and pour it in up to just below the max level. And then you click, there's a sauce function on the Ninja, so click sauce, and then let's see how it comes out. I've no idea if this is going to work or not, but we're soon going to find out. Right, it's all in now. So half an hour by the looks of things, 30 minutes, 30 seconds on sauce. So I'll leave it, I'll go watch a bit of TV. We'll come back and check on its progress in 15 minutes and then we'll see what it comes out like. It could be a disaster, I'm not confident. So it's about halfway through, 15 minutes 14 left. It's looking alright, smells nice, just needs to thicken up a bit, but we'll come back and see what it looks like in a minute. I have just forgotten one ingredient that apparently is vital, so bear with me. Yeah, it said you needed Worcestershire sauce, but if you know, you know, it's got to be Hendo's from Yorkshire. South Yorkshire, I think. So let's get a couple of dabs of Hendo's in it just to give it a bit more flavour. Right, so it says it's done. It looks a bit watery, but I'm going to pour a little bit out into a jar. Just have a look at it. Seen some suggestions on Facebook that say if you pour it out, if you do it again, pour it out and it's too thin, put it again on sauce and it'll thicken up. So Let's have a look. So right, first thing I will say is it's piping hot, but it doesn't look the thickest. So let's give it a go. Not sure. Don't really taste like gravy. I think it is missing meat juices. I'll put it on again to thicken up and just see what it comes out at on the second go, so bear with me. Right, so I've had it on soup again for a little bit longer, but I don't think it's really worked. Let's give it a go and pour some out. See there, look, it's still as runny as ever. Let's give it a taste. So right, let's give this a little taste again. Absolutely red hot. It actually tastes really nice, but it's more like a chicken stroke vegetable soup. I thought the sauce mode on there was meant to thicken it up, but obviously not. But yeah, it's quite nice, just not gravy. And the colour, like I say, you won't pour that on your Sunday dinner, would you? Because it's like butternut squash kind of colour. Anyway, you live and learn, don't you? So look, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and thanks for subscribing. It means loads to me. I think my next vlog, I'm going to probably vlog at Christmas Day so you can see what we get up to in our house at Christmas. So we're just in the process of tidying everything up, ready for the big day at the minute. But yeah, join me on that and I'll show you what we get up to. But look, thanks for liking. Click that little bell as well. Click on the bell and then click all. And it means you'll get notified when I upload something new. So look, gravy fail. We tried, we failed. But thanks for watching and have a Merry Christmas.